Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to register an account with BNB Cash using Metamask. Okay, so I'm here now on my Metamask wallet set on BNB Smartchain network, and I have balance of 0.00918 BNB, which is equivalent to $4.97. So this is good enough because the minimum is 0.002 BNB, which is only $1. Okay, so but again guys, this is just for demonstration purposes, just to show you how to register an account using MetaMask wallet. But I highly recommend you to at least put $60 capital so that you can apply the daily compounding. Okay, so let me show you how to register. Make sure you have your referral link. I have the referral link in the description. You can copy that. Let's go back to MetaMask wallet. Click on the browser. On the search or type URL, paste the link you have copied and then click go. Alright, so you need to connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet and select MetaMask. Click connect now. And there you go, I am already connected. So here are the plans. You can check out the plans. So I'm going to stake the minimum, which is the first cash right here. So this is minimum of 0.002. Now let's go up, and here on the profit calculator, you can type in how much amount of BNB you're going to stake. So let's again check my balance right here on the wallet icon, and I have 0.00918. So I will try to put in 0.009. Okay, let's go back to the browser and type in 0.009. Right, so make sure that you have enough extra BNB for gas fee. All right, so if I don't have enough BNB for gas fee, it will not proceed. So let's try to click on stake. All right, and it will confirm here. So the fee is okay. So it says here that I need 0.0074 more BNB. So I have to edit the amount. Okay, click on reject first, and let's put in 0.008. All right, this way I will have enough BNB to cover the gas fee. So I can click stake now. There you go. Click on confirm. So you'll see that the transaction has submitted. So investment successful. So now I have already an active stake here on this account, and you can see that my profit per day is 0.0014 BNB. So that's how you do it. Very simple. And you can apply the compounding, guys. So in order to apply the compounding, you need to withdraw your earnings. All right, so in just a blink of an eye, you can withdraw your earnings. And after that, when you have enough balance right here, make sure you have enough extra BNB for gas fees, and then you can go back to browser and type in the amount, and you can restake again. So every time you stake, you can see your my stats, all right here, and it's accumulating. So every time you stake, your total stake balance will be updated in this section, which is says my stats. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. And again, don't forget to take profit, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.